Telecommunications is a growth business. Estimates suggest that the number of mobile and fixed line users of the internet, for example, will rise to around 1 billion in 5 years' time. Springing up amidst that growth is an increasing number of network operators offering more choice and more competition. But how do these newcomers to a lucrative market handle the challenges it poses? One company determined to help them in a growth business is MKI.
MKI is a company that has been specifically set up to help new entrepreneurs into the telecoms business. We are a one-stop shop that has built the first and the largest pan-European network. This involves optical fiber technology, laying optical cables around the whole of Europe. It's a business which requires local language and local knowledge, and combining this with international experience and engineering. Take Switzerland, for example. This is a country where we're building a mobile telephone network, and we're also building a national optical fiber network.
We all know Switzerland has more than 3 languages, and this is all a very complicated setup to deal with. Deregulation in Switzerland happened late 1998. That had the consequence that a number of international companies in this field were storming into the country, trying to grab as much as possible of all this interesting market. MKI already very well oriented in this field with a number of experience from internationally, along with the local Swiss knowledge, which is always needed in a country like Switzerland. The combination of all these advantages, this is one main reason why MKI to date have been so successful.
In Paris, there's ample evidence of a key aspect of MKI's success, its determined spirit of innovation. Take its fibre optic laying programme in Paris and in Marseille, for example. Rather than face bureaucratic delay over digging up roads and pavements, MKI took to the water, using the network of rivers and sewers to provide the cable link.
The fact that we have our own fibre teams allows us to totally control our design, which is obviously beneficial for the customer, and to increase our competitivity. The innovating aspect of our technical approach is also a part of our policy. To satisfy real needs, we don't hesitate to bury cables under the beds of the river, like we have done with the Poseidon project in Paris and Marseille, or to install cable along motorways 1,500 kilometers long using new technologies.
At the heart of these pan-European networks, of course, there's a requirement for switching facilities. That's to say, a stable environment into which the active electronic components can be installed. These take the form of major switches, co-location facilities, regeneration sites, amplification sites, whatever. MKI's specialist ability is to create scalable facilities, meaning that we can build from some of the smallest facilities, 100 square meters, right through the range on an upscale from 500, 1,000, 10,000, and indeed one project we're working with is a 40,000 square meter site. Backing up the size, of course, is the technical content of the site. That means that we've got total redundancy on all services, duplicated power systems, mechanical, electrical works, with cross-checks and alarms to ensure that the operator enjoys a totally stable environment. The end user will never know that, but the operator will have the comfort of a system with a near 100% reliability factor attached to it.
The telecommunications industry is changing beyond all recognition. There will be more changes in the next 5 years than there have been in the last 50. And we believe that MKI will be instrumental in making this possible.